Now here at JPS, we are always looking for ways to save our customers money. We want you to be enjoying the best value when you're purchasing a PV system that you possibly can. So if there's any way we can work alongside something that's already happening to give you a cost advantage, we would love to do it for you. If you are re-roofing your home, that is a great opportunity to think very seriously about putting in a PV system and maybe a battery alongside it. The fact that the scaffold is there, the fact that it's easy to work on the roof, the fact the roof is probably open, as much as it's being retiled, so you're taking it back to a felt and batten stage. This is a great time to be installing PV because there's some brilliant cost savings to be had. Now, if you go onto our website and look at the projects pages of our website, you'll see sometimes panels are deployed over roof and sometimes they're deployed in roof. The in roof finish is really, really nice, and it's a super enhancement to the home. Now, if we do that as a standalone job, it can be quite expensive because, as I'm sure you can imagine, we have to scaffold, there's a lot of labour involved in taking that tile away, disposing of it, and laying in the in-roof trays. If, however, we come along to a roof that's being worked on and is all open, it is super cost effective to do it at that stage. In fact, what you'll discover is it's as cheap to do an in-roof system while you're working on the roof as it would have been to do a more traditional looking over roof system if we had to come along and do that as a standalone. So when you've got that scaffold up, if you're doing that re-roof, that is the time to be putting PV in. The systems that we put in roof will integrate perfectly into any tile type. Slate, concrete interlocking tile, down here in the southeast there's a lot of Kent peg tiles. We can flash and finish into those seamlessly every time, and it will not leak. Don't worry about it. These are tried and tested mounting trays. We've used them many times, and you will have something that will last for decades up there. So
JPS Energy, there for the journey.